Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to see your search history on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to see or check your search history on Facebook, first open up the Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to view or see your search history. And after landing on this page, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three line icon available for us over there just below the messenger icon. Tap on that three line icon with our profile picture icon, some small one. And over here again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us just beside the magnifying glass icon. Tap over there, scroll down over here until you can find your activity category, and under that the first option there, it says the activity log. Tap on there. And over here guys, in order to view your search history, you will be required to slide this public post, public tag, story activity to the right side or the left side, on the left side, and a bunch of options will appear where you can see the search history pop out after the video is watched. Tap on the search history and you can see all of your search history on the Facebook will appear here. And if you want to delete it, you can just tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of the screen or right side of that search, and delete option will appear at the bottom. If you tap on delete, that video will be that search will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you view your search history on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.